andyan po siya. Yung economic aspect, andyan po siya. So, alam niyo po, ito po yung pinaka-word ng mga lawyers natin. At nakita ko yun kay attorney. Sabi ko kasi nila, lawyers walk their talk. Kung ano yung sinasabi nila ay yun ang sinasabot buhay nila. And thank you for that, attorney. Kaya nakita ko po yun na andun po yung dedication kaya alam ko, strict to ito sa
Magkanda kayo kung mamigay ka niya na din. Siyempre naman mabuti. Hindi mo kasaluhan kayo. Kaya
ay andyan po. Kaya bless na bless po ang bayan ng Gamo. Pagkat siya ang inyong naliligo. So, sana po makita niyo yun na sa kanyang profession as a lawyer and as a CPA ay yun ang kailangan po ng isang
Nanti honor ngay kukuha, dapat di Hong Kong?
so, sa ating
Wala kang store. Ako hindi ko mati kung ano niya. Manila ko kan ada di
pag
Hong
may
Kong.
ano daw po yung number na 7, it is a perfect number.
Manila.
So, congratulations sa ating po mga couple. So, yan po, maraming salamat po sa support ng LGU Gamo sa ating po civil registration na project po ng PSA. At sa inyo din po mga couples ay sa araw na ito ay i-legalize na po ang inyong pagsasama. Di po ba? So, sino po ang mayroon ng mga anak sa inyo?
Lahat.
Wow, marami na. Okay. Yan po, through this
Ay,
marriage
wala,
po
di ba,
ay
no?
legalize po ang inyong pagsasama as husband and wife at alalahanin mo po. May ibibigay nyo na rin ang unang karapatan ng inyong mga anak. At ang unang karapatan ng inyong mga anak is to have their identity. Sila po ay may karapatan magkakaroon ng pangalan. So hanggat hindi pa po kayo kinakasal, ay ang inyo pong mga anak ay illegitimate. Pero ngayong araw na to, pagkat kayo ay ikakasal na, manelegalize na po ang inyong pagsasama, ay ibibigay niyo na po ang unang regalo ninyo sa inyong mga anak. Na magkakaroon sila ng sariling pangalan or identity. So, hindi na po nila may experience na sa eskwelahan, maririnig nila, ay yan anak, yan.
The husband and the wife are obliged to live together, observe mutual love, respect, and fidelity, and render mutual help and support. I now ask that you answer truthfully the following questions. This part, sasagot na po kayo, ha? Dapat marinig namin. To the bride, do you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes.
yes, Mayor.
Hindi ko narinig yung
Yes, Mayor. Yes, Mayor.
Sigaw nyo na.
Awan sa saan.
To the groom, did you come here of your free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes.
To our couples, are you both ready to raise as good members of the community the children whom you will have and you have?
Yes, yes,
To our dear couples, since you both wish to contract marriage, please join your hands and express your intentions before me and the laws of this country. Hawak kamay.
Pau. Sweet naman nila.
Kasan
To the
makakwa
groom,
ka.
do you accept your bride here present as your lawful wife according to
Dapat
our
na banda
laws?
di ah. Ka.
Kaya pa ka naman sila kadyan.
Mabay na tag.
Ako pipik ka ba?
Aw muti man pa ano magko.
To the bride, do
Kadyan
you
ni
give
kamera
yourself
so
to her as her husband?
Kang ri jayon ganda.
To the groom, do you accept her as a lawful wife?
Father.
To the bride, do you accept your groom here present for you as your lawful husband according to our laws?
Yes.
To the bride, do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, Mayor.
Kiss the bride ko.
Damdaman mo
To the groom, do you accept him? To the bride, do you... Nasaan ba? To the groom, to the bride, do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Kasunod katahong gawin.
To the groom, do you accept him as your lawful husband? Sa mga tao nandito po, meron po bang mag-object?
Wala man dyan na Jessica.
Bago natin tapusin ang seremonya, speak now or forever hold your peace. Tama po ba?
Oh.
Okay. Sa mga grooms and bride, may gusto mo po bang mag-back out? Wala na. Okay. To the bride and the groom, please sing together. Please repeat after me, no? May we have one heart and one soul. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part. Wala na, bawian ito. Sinabi yun. And by the authority vested in me by the Philippine laws, calling on all those present here as witnesses, I hereby confirm and bond this marriage which you have contracted. At this part po,
Ang nagbraniyo doon.
Sino?
yung rings
Tagdarda.
Sino? Libre earrings na yan.
Ang libre mo.
Regalo lang.
These rings shall be worn by you so that you may ever live in deep faith and unbroken loyalty to each other. May they symbolize your union and may you always live together in peace, mutual love, respect, true friendship, and abiding joy. To the groom and the bride, in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, I will all the days of my life. Pwede nyo na pong ilagay yung lalaki, ilalagay nyo yung siksik sa babae. Okay, so to the bride, please repeat after me.
Nervyoso.
Two, state your groom's name. Wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty. I state your name. Take you as my husband. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life. To our couples, now that you have contracted matrimony, I admonish you to remain faithful to one another. Bride, love your husband and be a good housewife. Persevere in faith and love. To the groom, love, respect, and honor your wife. Unite your hearts in an enduring bond of your love that you bless in your children. And may the love that you lavish on them
Albasan.
be returned hundredfold.
Ala, yung video na.
Picture. To the groom, you may now kiss your bride.
Ano ba number? Nag-isi ka number 10?
Ayan, pa-help po kami ha. Pa-help po kami mag-determine kung sino yung pinaka-mahaba and longest kiss. At the count of 3.
Ilonggas nyo.
1, 2,
5,000.
3. Kiss your partner!
Longest kiss.
Longest kiss yun.
Alam niyo yun.
Longest kiss yun.
Longest kiss. We are now witnessing the longest
Sige,
kiss.
baybayag yun. Na 5,000 yun ata.
Longest kiss.
May panalo na po ba?
Yo!
Dapat yung hindi mo
Ay, pinitawan yung mata, no? Ano na?
Hindi pa nga bakit dito ba nga kasawa dito?
Jai, ala, yan eh.
Hindi.
Hindi namin nakabagan. Ah! Nagwaya!
Ayan, ayan. Maaari na po tayong huminto.
Ala!
So, come on. And congratulations po sa ating 5 couples. Ayan. Ma'am Reeds, palista naman po kung anong couple number. Ayan. Sa team of couples po, sino na po yung panalo?
Longest kiss.
Adama?
I found you today. I've never been afraid of life with me, and I'm so glad I'm staying right here with you through the years. I can know I trusted you. I'm listening to you before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so
Baka Jenny,
good
baka
at years it seems to me.
Baka
I
din.
need you more and more.